Hello everybody, how are you? I know, it's been a minute since I've been on here. To be honest, I was just feeling a little lost with my channel. I lost a little bit of inspiration because the last video that I posted was a makeup challenge video, and then I realized, you know what? This is not the type of content that I want to create. And the reason why I did that video is because I felt that that's the direction that YouTube was going in. You know, people doing weird challenges, clickbait titles. I don't think it fits my personality. And for a minute I said, well, if that's the direction that YouTube is going in, you know, it's not me, basically. So I've been uninspired, to say the least, lately. Love to incorporate more lifestyle videos in here. Just let me know what kind of lifestyle videos you guys would like to see. And give me any other video ideas as well. So let me know all those things. But today we're going to be doing a makeup tutorial on this look, which I love, guys. I don't think I've done a bold look like this in a while, actually ever on my channel, but I really, really love it. So I hope you guys like it too. It's great for summer, fun and bright, and I hope you guys enjoy it. So if you want to learn how you got this look, then stay right there. Don't move and keep on watching. So to start off my summer face, I'm going to go ahead and apply the MAC Strobe Cream, which is great for adding luminosity and hydration to the skin. We want to be dewy. We want to be dewy today, even though it's super hot. So now I'm going to go ahead and fill in my eyebrows, and I'll be right back. So now to clean up under the brows, I like to have like a really nice highlighted brow. So I'm going to go in with the NYX Beige Concealer. Comes in a little pot like that. I like to take it on a flat brush. And to blend it out, I just keep the brush on its side. And just below, not like up here, but like below it, where that harsh line is where I'll start to drag it down. So now I'm done with the brows. I'm going to go in with a little bit of eyeshadow primer. This is by Urban Decay. Go ahead and take my neutrals palette, which is just a mix of MAC and MakeupGeek eyeshadows. And I'm going to take Vanilla, which is this one in the very corner here. You guys know I love this for setting the brow if you are like my skin tone or even more fair. Just because it brings up a lot of light in there, a lot of brightness. Then what I want to do is go ahead and take this color here that's in the palette, which is right below the gold, which is like a pukey color. And I'm just going to put that in the crease and basically all over the eye. In the Sigma Tapered E40 brush because it's like so big. If you have smaller eyes, you want to go with a smaller brush. But this one just allows me to kind of just really buff this out all over and just give a good wash of color on the lid and into the crease, but while it's still blending it out. What I really want to do is do like a yellow look, but I don't think I have any yellow eyeshadow. I don't think I have any. Okay, I'll be right back because I need to go find a yellow eyeshadow. Alright, so now I'm going to go ahead and take the NYX Jumbo Crayon, which I haven't used in a long time. And I'm going to apply this on the base. This is in Milk. Just as a base because I'm going to apply a yellow eyeshadow and it might not show through if I don't apply the white base. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. And then taking the ColourPop flat eyeshadow brush, I'm going to take the NYX, this is Hot Yellow. It's very yellow, but I think I'm going to mix it a little bit with orange, just to make like, yeah, because I want more like of a mustard canary yellow, and not so, I don't know, I need it to be brighter, more like a golden yellow, you know? Oh yeah, much better. Okay, so I'm taking the Hot Yellow, and this is Hot Orange, and I'm just mixing them together. I'm barely dabbing into the orange. Where's my camera? Over here. And then like back into the yellow, just to get this. You see how it's much more like, I don't know, like a golden yellow color, as opposed to pea color. I'm just going to pack on the yellow in areas where I feel like there's just too much orange going on. Like out here. Uh-oh. I'm liking that. I'm going to bring in a little bit more of that blending color that I had originally. Pop it into the crease. Then I'm just applying this darkest brown color, which is right next to the black, just on the inner corner, just tapping it, just to add a little dimension in there. Come back in with the original blending color, just out here. Next, I'm just going to go in with L'Oreal Voluminous mascara on my lashes. I'm going to go in with the Maybelline gel liner in Blackest Black. I'm actually going to go over that with a liquid liner because I don't like how sometimes the gel liners can look a little jagged on the edges. And I want like a nice smooth line. So I've set aside some glue on my lash case, and this is what I like to do so that when I'm ready to apply my lashes, the glue is super tacky already and all set to go. So I'm going to set that aside, and we're going to move on to the face and skin, if you will. And I'm going to go in with foundation. For foundation lately, you guys know that I've been loving the Graftobian Warm Palette, and I love this. This is what I use for my clients as well. I just had a client actually yesterday, which looked really great on her skin too. So I'm going to go ahead and apply this on my face. And the way that I do this is I scoop out a little bit off onto the back of my hand or just on a petri dish or something. And that way it stays quite sanitized. Or you could always just spray it with 90% alcohol as well. And that's all I'm going to use. I'm just going to use what I have on this brush and spread it out all over my skin because I want super light coverage foundation today. So I like using a brush to apply this foundation, and then I'll go in and blend it a little more with the Beauty Blender if I need to, because I feel like it spreads it out a lot more. Like it'll help more foundation get across the face as opposed to just using a Beauty Blender. Because I feel like the Beauty Blender sometimes can soak up a little bit of the product, and you do have to use a little more. It blends like a dream, but I do feel like it absorbs a little bit of the product. So it was damp, and I'm just gonna. So it looks like my lash glue is about ready to go. So I'm gonna go ahead and take my lashes and apply those, and I will be right. Alright, so my lashes are on, and I also touched up my eyeliner with the liquid liner that I used earlier just to cover up the band a little bit. And then I totally forgot to turn on the camera, but what I was doing is I went back in with my Graftobian foundation palette. I took this shade, which is the second to darkest shade, and I just started sort of bronzing it with it, also adding a little more dimension, definition to the face so that it's not just one flat color. And for that, I'm using the Real Techniques contour brush. Is it a contour brush? Yeah. Which is one of my favorite brushes. So I'm literally just applying that to warm up the skin here. I used to use this darkest shade here up till recently. And then I realized it looks much better if you don't go quite as dark so that it doesn't begin to look very muddy. And this just kind of gives you like a little bit of color, if you can see. It adds just a little bit of more warmth to the skin without looking so like overdone, if you know what I mean. So I absolutely love that. Then I'm also going to take it and on the ColourPop blending brush, and I'm going to contour my nose just a tad. I'm going to go in with the RCMA No Color Powder and applying it to the lighter areas of my face, which would be under the eyes, on my chin, my forehead, and a little bit on the bridge of my nose. To set the rest of my skin, I'm going to take the Smashbox Halo Hydrating Powder, and this is the shade Medium. So I'm just going to take that on sort of a large brush and just use it to set like the rest of my skin. I'm going to go ahead and go in and just dust off all the other powder. On my lower lash line, I'm going to start with the yellow eyeshadow that I applied earlier. And if you notice, I didn't put on concealer today, guys. I'm trying to stay away from the overly highlighting underneath here, but I think I needed a little bit. But, you know, it is what it is. I'm going to apply this right in there. So I'm going to apply the darkest brown that we used on the outer corner. And I'm going to apply that right below the lashes. I'm going to go ahead and go back in with that black eyeliner, and I'm going to line my inner rim, which I haven't done again in a minute. But I want to go ahead and do that today. I'm going to take a clean brush and I'm just going to smudge that black liner. So I'm going to take MAC Shroom and I'm just going to put that right in the inner corner. In here. And in here. On the cheeks, I don't want to wear like a pinky blush because we have yellow on the skin. So I'm going to go in with a little bit of bronzer, and this is from e.l.f. This is Turks and Caicos bronzer, and I'm just going to very lightly put it on top. Just for a little more color, I'm going to go in with the lighter side of Turks and Caicos and apply that on the apples. For highlight, I'm going to use like a opal highlighter. If I can find my highlighting on my. Where are you? Actually, no, because this is too pink. I think I'm going to go in with Fuego. Sorry, guys, I tried. Okay, I tried not to use it, but what can you do? What can you do? So, should apply Fuego. Woo! Yes. You guys want to know the worst thing? I have to go to the gym. I don't want to wash off this makeup. I actually love it. I'm also going to go in with a little highlighter on the tip of my nose. Because I can do that now, guys. And down the bridge. Claro que sí, claro que sí. For the lips, we're going to do another pop of color, okay? So I'm going to go in with Hot Fire by Dose of Colors. Alright guys, and that is it. Wait, no. I'm going to coat my lower lashes with mascara because I totally, completely forgot, okay? I did. Now our look is complete, guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed this one. I know it's super bright, but you know what, guys? It's summer, okay? I hope you guys like it as much as I liked it. I was a little nervous because I've never done like a yellow eye, but we're going to be doing this a lot this summer, okay? I love the dramatic eye. I love the bold lip. They're playing really well together. And you know what? Some people say you can't do both because they'll compete. You know what? I say let them compete, okay? Let them play games. It's okay, guys. With that, don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you have not already. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up because those help me out so much. And remember that wherever you go and whatever you do, always leave your mark. Bye. This look has me feeling some type of way, guys. We got to highlight the shoulders. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. I like it so much.